Greetings, everyone. I am Khushi, as we had a discussion from UPS Dehradun, and I'm not a third or fourth year ambassador. In fact, I came here and got to know that there is a thing known as continuing ambassador. Before it's, I swear, I got to know it here, and I was just thinking that I'll have a word with the team that even if we make new ambassador, if you can just allow me staying in touch or somehow I can stay. Now I got away and we'll have a conversation. So from our college only, I'm the third ambassador, and the first ambassador passed out. She was from fifth year, and in our college we get like last year off to get the job sorted with internships. So I didn't have much interaction, and then I realized that the craze of committees, the way it is in our university, SCC needs to get a same. Then I thought of taking an initiative. So in our university, UPS, faculty has to be associated with everything to get it done, be it sessions or be it application opening from dean office. So how I was chosen is the last ambassador nominates five people or the number, and the interview was taken. However, I am formalizing this process a little bit. That's why the applications are getting delayed. I had a word with dean office yesterday only offline that we make a faculty associated with SEC online so that permissions also get easy, and secondly the applications will be open to everyone and then certain people get nominated. So I'm just trying to get a little more awareness for SEC online ambassadorship in my college comparatively being the current one. Second, how I get it. Now, I was the ADR co-convener at the time when my previous ambassador came to me and said, Gohar Mirza, who is one of the youngest partners at CAM, he came as a judge in our college under the ADR competition. She came to me and said that, Kushi, can you take the permission to interview him from the ADR committee for SEC Online? I didn't understand at that time. I was like, what? She said that this is also a way. I was like, can I go with you? I just asked her. My legs were breaking. I was waiting for the moment that our ADR event ended and I go home and sleep because it has been 3 day and night. But I was like, can I just go with you? We went and to the hotel where we made search. We sat with him. The interview was supposed to be like 30 minutes at max because there are 8 questions and we were recording an audio. Rather just an interview, it was a conversation that lasted for like more than 1.5 hours with the youngest partner of India, one of the youngest partners, Gohar Mirza, who is a partner at a camp. What else a third year student wants? And trust me when I tell you, my dad knows his name because I mentioned it so many times. That conversation lasted an impact. I met him yesterday offline in a conference. So that's what SEC gives you. And when I got into this, I never came here for a title. I knew that this is meant to be, and I'm happy to share that by the end of the next month, I'll complete like 10 interviews. Every transcript is to be approved by them. I just love this part, and I want to thank Sumit Sir, Saranya Man, Pragya Ma'am, and Taha Sir for every opportunity they have given. Everyone has been so sweet here, and that's really, really true. Everyone is not just saying it's a family. I never felt like that, oh my god, should I ask this or not? It was, I was even sick. I submitted my semester report late. I didn't have a thought once that would I get scolded. No, I just wrote that this is the situation. He was like, yeah, okay, you can take your time, take care. So, and you greatly hosted us. I mean, the hotel, the food, everything is great. Any day, hands down, it has been one of the best decision I have taken to be the SCC Online Ambassador. And I'll think to be continuing. I'll give it a thought. I'll talk to the team, and then hopefully this may be not my last retiring speech. So, yeah, thank you so much.